your fucking birthday. It's a fucking celebration. Tonight we celebrate.
What's good, YouTube?
Let's prove it! It's Kimmy's birthday! One time for the birthday beat!
Two times for the birthday beat!
Have it up for your birthday beat!
So, you know, we're going to a little day party or whatever, enjoying the day.
Feel me?
It is 90 degrees out. We are hot.
Hot, boy.
It's hot. It's not hot. It's hot.
It's hot, right? I texted you that yesterday. I was like, it was hot. She's like, I'm hip. I'm like,
Kim, show up. Where's your face at?
damn, you should sit on this side.
Kim, show in the middle. Go quick.
Hold on, we're gonna run this back.
We are sisters.
We
We stand together.
We make a one
Perfect
big family,
though we don't look the same.
Spots are
Different colors.
We make each other stronger. That ain't
Never gonna change.
Not even
Okay.
We're Jada girls. No, we Cocoadolls.
Yeah.
Coco sisters.
Oh.
Where's my chapstick? I can't do it.
But look at my sister's glowing though. You peep the glow.
This
It's that summer glow.
This
No,
the
no, no,
secret.
No. It's the summer. It's the summer.
This is the secret. Let me put y'all on. This is vitamin E oil for your ashy ass elbows.
Yep. If you ain't hip, get hip.
Get hip to the Where's my chapstick?
And if you
for
don't know, now you know.
Guys, we're in the McDonald's drive-thru because Kim wants to, poison her body. But
Just for today.
Right.
Yo, the dude behind us is beeping the horn.
He hungry.
We're in a line. Like, yo, what do you? If you beep the horn, it's not gonna make it go any faster.
Right. We're at a drive-thru.
He turned around and he is as big as his car.
Damn. So he hungry.
Kim was like, "Oh, he's hungry."
Like beeping is not gonna do anything for you.
Nah, for real.
Oh,
it's not.
sorry.
Hello.
Hi, you got the 2 cheeseburgers?
Yes.
And water?
And I'm yeah, each snacks in front.
Why he just snatched it?
Wait, what?
You want an iced cup of water, right?
2.
Can I have 2, please? Never slap.
To be
Why
continued.
you snatch?
Not too late. You're on the video.
That dude was rude. I worked in fast food before. You don't gotta be rude. Like, you're supposed to be nice. That's your job.
Right. We understand you probably don't
Do
like
your
your
job.
job, but do it right.
Snatch the
I don't like
money
my
from
job,
me.
but I do it right. Sometimes.
We asked him for another cup of water. He's like, yeah, ask them. Oh,
And then he shut the window on
okay.
us.
Bet. Okay.
You
Yep.
must not.
Can I speak
money.
to the manager, please? Put the window up.
She's gonna kill me, guys.
I got the AC on. It's like 100 degrees outside. She got the window open.
I forgot. Sorry.
Why did you have it open?
I don't know.
The DJ's playing. I zoomed in on her.
Indo's hungry, y'all.
I currently looking for the car. I don't know where I parked. We
No,
thought.
we know where we parked. It's just confusing right now.
Yeah,
That's all.
this parking garage is crazy. And they have heels on, but I got sneakers on. I'm chilling. But I'm hungry, so we gotta find this car. This lighting is terrible. One time for the birthday fee. Two times if it's your birthday fee. Birthday fee. But yeah, it's been like, what do you guys think? Like 5-6 minutes? Going on 10? We need to find this car. And I don't have a beep beep thing. I've never had one, believe it or not. This is the third car now. Still don't got one. What the fudge? We just walked around the whole, she's about to take her shoes off.
Already started.
We just walked around the whole thing. We still didn't find the car, man. This outfit, I'm feeling it, Kimmy. It's like a racer chick. Like, ready?
Race car.
Set, go. I just way over there.
So why is the arrow not saying that way? Guys, look.
This is confusing, man. I'm over it. I feel like somebody's about to kidnap us.
Oh, okay.
Have you guys seen
Right
that
here.
movie P2? I feel like that's
No,
what
I didn't
happened
see
to
it.
us. It's scary. Well, it's probably not scary now that I'm older, but when I was younger, it was scary. Anyway, we'll be back when we find the car. Guys, this is crazy. Where's Maisha? We really don't know. First... Hi. We're trying to find our car.
Yeah, it's okay.
Do you remember us? I'm sorry.
Who has the parking ticket?
It's in the car.
Which level you are?
We think it's on 3, but we can't find it.
Maybe you park, see the building behind it?
Yeah.
Maybe you park in that building.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So you gotta exit here, down at this door, all the way down.
All the way down. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless, because we was lost. This building is so pretty, but it's too big. Like, we don't know what we're doing. Look at it. It's really nice. They got heels on. I'm so glad I wear sneakers, guys, because I'm not a heel girl, like, at all. Okay, so we're in a whole different building now. He just texted. I'm dead. He's probably like, where are they at? But it's right there. It's right there. Oh my God, we found it. Oh, thank you, Jesus, guys. It's been like 20 minutes now. We had to go to a whole nother building. I'm so hungry. I know, we're hungry for real. Like, this is crazy. We didn't eat all day. I didn't drink no water really. But we got the car. It's good. We'll catch you at the restaurant or when we get the food. Okay. Say bye. We finally made it to the food place. We got vegetable wings. Maya got tofu in her thing. I got spring rolls.
I did it a few times.
Kim got veggie rice. Thank you. And these are tofu chicken nugget thingies. More vegetable wings and white rice. And now we about to eat because we're hungry. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Let me see you do your thing. Hey, Nikki.
Okay, guys, it's been a long day.
Long day, was so tired.
I'm dead. I have work in the morning, and I don't even know if I'm gonna wake up.
Yeah, sorry about the lighting. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Hope you liked it. The restaurant we went to was Grasshopper. It's called Grasshopper.
It's a vegan Chinese restaurant.
Yeah,
and
but
it
they-
was bomb.
They have like regular food too, like chicken and stuff. But you should be vegan, so you know. We had a great day. Kimmy, did you have a good day? Great.
Birthday girl.
Birthday. One time for the birthday. 2 times for the birthday.
Well,
we're
thank
gonna
you
go
guys
now.
for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And bye.
Tonight we celebrate. See, it's your fucking birthday.